The special thing for me is bowing down or admiring the beauty of the plant and admiring the creative intelligence behind. Plants are special because they are more innocent. They're just exposed there 24 hours, day and night, exposed to sunlight, moonlight, starlight. There's nothing extravagant in there. There's nothing egotistic. So we are, in a sense, less evolved than plants as human beings. But this is only in that sense that plants convey this innocence and this openness, this total also giving, because they have given everything to our earth, to the living beings on this earth. There's no blue sky without plants who have prepared our earth. Before we could even have animals on earth, we needed plants to prepare this planet. There was only toxic gases here before, and they had to come with their photosynthesis and their chlorophyll and exhale oxygen and in-breathe carbon dioxide and clear the atmosphere from everything before any higher animal life or human beings could come. And then, of course, they are food for everything. Without plants, we have no food, we have no animals, we have no nothing. So in that sense, we owe gratitude to the kingdom of plants and all the intelligences behind that. I mean, this is definitely clear. But in order to have that, we have to understand what this feeling of admiration and gratitude is, and it builds up with time. I cannot say that when I started to go nearer to plants that I had it right away. But it builds up through input, just like everything. Memory is there. Other people say there's no memory in smell, but it's not true. Smelling has a lot of memory. The more lavender you smell, the more you will be just drawn into that experience. So this is the same with everything. The more you put your attention on something, you cannot prevent yourself to get deeper into it. And if you are open and you are looking and feeling without any desire or any egotistic feeling, then you're just drawn into it and you start to be with that plant. And that's what it is. It doesn't mean you see all the energy fields of the plant and you feel this and that and maybe the devas behind all that. It doesn't need that. It can happen, but it doesn't need that.